Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is my brow tutorial and I'm going to show you guys exactly how I do my brows. Now I'm just brushing out my brow hairs, just pretty much brushing them in the direction that they're supposed to go. And I'm taking my brown eye pencil. This is a pencil that I got from my local beauty salon store, y'all. Like, it doesn't really matter what you prefer to use for your brows. This is what I like to use because it makes my brows look more natural, and I like to go for the natural look. When I'm just wearing brows, like if it's just a brow and lash type of day, this is definitely the pencil I like to use. So as you saw, I drew the line under the bottom first. Now I am drawing a line on the top, just sculpting out my brows, really lining up the pencil with my brow shape. And then after I put the line on the bottom and the top, I'm just going to fill it in, and I'm going to fill in my brows the direction my hair is going. So like you see how my brow hairs, like whatever angle my brow hair is pointing, I'm going to apply the pencil the same direction. And I'm just gonna fill it in until it's to my liking. After I do that, I'm going to take my spoolie and I'm just gonna brush the product into my brows. I like doing this because it makes my brow look less of a fill-in and look more full. Like it look more like my brow hairs than me filling it in. And I'm gonna do the same thing with the other eye. I'm gonna line up the bottom of my eye. And this just gives it that sharp look when you conceal it. And then I'm gonna go on the top doing the same exact thing. If y'all see how, like, you notice how I didn't bring the pencil all the way to the tip on the top. The reason why I do that is because I don't like my brows looking too harsh in the front. Like, that's just really ugly to me. So I don't fill in my brows right at the center at the top. Like, the line at the bottom I do it with, but the top line I just kind of let the line start where the fullness of my brow is. So wherever my brow thin out at, that's where I do not line my brow. And I'm just gonna comb the product out with this eyebrow as well. And anybody that know me know I love my brows. Like, I'm so particular when it comes to my brows. Like, I do not play about my brows. So anybody that really knows me, I'm pretty sure y'all gonna tune into this video because I get compliments on my brows every day. And a lot of people ask me, girl, how do you do your brows? Well, this is how I do it. So I'm taking that LA Girl Pro Concealer. And that LA Girl Pro Concealer, it is in the shade Cool Tan. And I got that from my local beauty salon as well. Well, beauty store. I don't know why I keep saying beauty salon, but I got that from my local beauty store as well. And it's in the shade Cool Tan. And I'm just gonna line up my brows at the bottom. And if you ever like mess up when you're filling in your brows, it's okay because the concealer is gonna cover it up. And you always want to use a flat brush when it comes to concealing your brows. If you want that perfect line, like how I created that perfect arch line, you have to use a flat brush. Like, you have to. If not, it's not going to turn out this way. And I'm just going right underneath my brows. And I'm just going to play around with it until I get it into my liking. I always use a shade or two lighter than my skin tone because I feel like it just makes my brows look more arched. Like, it gives it that fresh arch, like you just got out the chair from getting your brows arched, and I love that. So I always use a light shade right underneath just make it look like I just freshly got my brows plucked. And I'm just going to take a flat brush and I'm just going to blend out the concealer so it won't look so harsh. It's really called a bluff brush. I always have a tongue twister when it comes to naming this brush, but it's called a bluff brush. And I'm just going to use this bluff brush and just kind of bluff out the concealer, because you don't want to walk around and you actually see the concealer. The goal is to make your brows look as natural as possible. So we're going to bluff it out so it can look flawless and seamless. Now I'm using the shade Warm Honey, and I'm going to use this color, and I'm going to go on top of my brows with it. I always go on top of my brows with, I try to lean towards a shade that's my color, or if it's not my color, at least one shade lighter than my color, but not as light as the concealer that I used at the bottom, because then you'll have halo brows. And sis, we leaving those halo brows in 2020. Like, no, we're not walking around. I mean 2019. We're leaving those halo brows in 2019, sis. We're not walking around with halo brows. And this method really helps prevent halo brows. Like, always use a concealer that's your skin color or a shade lighter to prevent the white ring going around your eyebrows. And I'm just making that line perfect as I possibly can, because I love perfect brows. And I'm going to do the same for the next eye. And this eye always gives me problems because I'm left-handed, and I try to make my brows look the exact same, like twins, but we all know your brows are not going to look the same. So we're just going to try our best to just make them look almost the same, because they're never going to look the same, I promise. Like, even if you think they look the same, sis, they don't look the same. Like, they may look the same to you, but they're not the same. So the goal is to make them look alike but not identical. So I'm just lining it up. Sometimes I may make my line crooked, so I just go over it until it's as straight as I would like it. Your brows are sisters, not twins. And I'm just playing around with it until I get it to how I want them to look. Because right now I'm not satisfied, so. Okay, and I think I'm okay with it. So I'm gonna take that bluff brush and I'm going to blend out the concealer that's right at the top. And y'all, my brows look perfect. They look perfect. And these are my finished brows. They were very quick. It was very easy. Thanks for tuning into my video, you guys. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments and make sure you hit that bell for my latest videos. Thank you.